On takeoff roll in the extra 300, it's Mr. Chuck Vincent. The extra 300, an aircraft built in Germany expressly for what you're going to be seeing and used for here today. That's unlimited aerobatics. And Chuck goes on a 45-degree upline. You don't see airplane over inverted. Pulls slightly back on the stick that allows the aircraft to accelerate while still upside down. Upon reaching the right-hand side of the aerobatic airspace, he yanks the airplane into a climbing left turn. Now, Chuck Stevens can say, a little burst of smoke out of the motion, indicating that he's about to enter the aerobatic box and be ready to bring the aircraft right back to the Airshow Center. Chuck's getting a lot of smash. There's a lot of energy in the energy bank. Running back down at Coastal Federal, he puts some in the bank, and here's just a moment. He's going to hit the ATM and withdraw that and turn it into airspeed. For an airshow performer, altitude is like money in the bank, and airspeed's like money in his pocket. Well, he's going to put the nose down here in just a moment and crank it down as he comes in. Here he comes. You can see as he brings the airplane down. A quick flick on that aileron roll there. Show smoke system is back on. And over 200 miles an hour. It's back on the stick. And that 4 to 5G smashing down into the seat. He goes into the vertical. It's a support roll on the up. The way up, and that extra just keeps right on climbing. A 300 horsepower light opening engine on the nose, pulling it up to the sky. And you can see he pins it there, bumps out the top, falls over into an upright spin as he allows the airplane to go right back down to Airshow Center. Chuck got into serious aerobatics only 7 years ago. He's a retired airline pilot, having flown for a major airline. And he's 66-year-old. He's got 3 children and 3 grandchildren, so we got the flying grandfather out here today. His maximum speed throughout the day here is going to be about 280 to 300 miles an hour. He's going to pull up to 8 to 9 G's. Not bad for a 66-year-old man. That is something funny. But he brings the airplane up into a tail slide, allows it to accelerate to almost 60 miles an hour before he whipstalls back down on the way back down. Now he works over on the left-hand side of the aerobatic airspace. Once again, a quarter roll up. Outside snap, over into a shoulder roll, into a shoulder spin. He's got his knife-edge spin, continues around, and the airplane, well, he doesn't allow it to fall out into a spin. He stops it right there, rotates the airplane down, precisely aligning his wings perpendicular with the Airshow Center line. Now, once again, working at an altitude of about 150 to 200 feet. He's got a lot of smash. He's got a lot of airspeed. He's pulling it into the vertical. And what's he going to do this time as he brings it back over? As our Black Tigers come up here on the left-hand side, let's acknowledge him once again. High altitude, low opening. And game for the Bad Tigers. Vincent's on that 45-degree down line, and once again, it's back on that stick and pulls that airplane into the vertical. That extra 300 has tremendous vertical penetration, making it a climb. But gravity does win, and right there, he kicks the rudder over, hammerheads back out, and he's on his way back down. And this time, he's let it fall over into an inverted flat spin. Not something that you want to do at low altitude. But with a pilot with Chuck's experience, it's no problem. Still keeping the airplane directly in front of us. He has never exited the aerobatic box. The mark of a great competitor and airshow pilot. Once again, thinking of information on the way up. The airplane stops, hangs there momentarily, kicks over in the hammerhead turn, and he comes flying right back down into the rail. This time into the off the right spin. This airplane designed by Walter Extra in Germany. It is powered by a U.S.-made engine, a Lycoming 300 horsepower, and it's turning a composite propeller. Wow, good gosh, he gets over there on the right-hand side. Looks like he was tying his necktie as he comes back down through Airshow Center. Once again, right in the airshow center, let the airspeed build. And there goes that pull into the vertical. Goes forward on the stick, hold that vertical line, quarter roll up. You can see the wind at altitude, wind blowing much faster up there. He takes the airplane, holds it, and this time he turns the airplane into a helicopter. This is an extra 300 helicopter. He's backing down behind his propeller, torque of the engine rolling him around, and he once again recovers on the down line. All right, Chuck, you got it out of airspace over there. The aerobatic box is going to end pretty soon, so he pulls it back on the stick, and one more time he's into an up line. Pulls over upside down, and the stick back to his belly button right there for a reverse Cuban 8 turnaround. 45-degree up, line up, pull the airplane 180 degrees upside down, pull the stick back to your belly button, and watch that airspeed indicator head toward the red line. Awesome vertical maneuvers. He gets the half roll up. Looks like he's going to climb all the way up there. Our high fin over. Yes, beautiful sky out here today. Congratulations to the guys in the weather shop. 3 years ago, we were this fortunate. As he reaches the left-hand side of the aerobatic airspace, once again he pulls into the vertical. What is he going to do? A series of outside steps, like being inside mom's refrigerator watching the scene when he goes into overdrive or spin cycle. Chuck flies competition aerobatics, and you can tell by the preciseness of these maneuvers. Vertical lines are like a plumb-bob. Horizontal lines are very well drawn. And on the way back down, instead of giving us one aileron roll, brings it back down, working over there on the right-hand side of the aerobatic airspace. Oh yeah, getting it done and the extra 300. Right, Chuck went way out on the right-hand side. That means he's looking for a lot of energy. He's primed up. During that climb, he checked his engine instruments. These pilots are wearing 2 sets of seatbelts. They're wearing a wide 5-point harness, very similar to what a NASCAR driver wears. Big wide lap belt, a negative G-strap that comes up between the legs, the so straps come across the top of his shoulders and hold him into the airplane. Here he comes with his traditional airshow pilot salute and inverted pass. And hopefully he didn't drop his car keys out of his pocket while he was out there. Every once in a while, the pilots have to pull off a little bit, retighten those seatbelts. They actually use a little quarter-inch drive ratchet. Ratchet themselves down real tight, and across the top of that set of seatbelts, he wears another deep seatbelt, a harness, attached to an entirely different point in the airplane. When you're upside down and pulling about 5 to 6 negative Gs, it's not time to learn that the seatbelts are going to work. Into a nice big spin along the hump line, disappearing into front of the smoke. Pins the airplane right there and allows it to park back out. Out on the wingtips, you'll see something that looks like a coat hanger. That's actually a side gauge the pilot uses to make. And he is flying vertical and 45-degree lines. It's not an old set of rabbit ears off of the tube-type television. From the Air Boss. Just going to come by and give us a pass, a banana pass, or what we call a photo pass, where you'll be able to come back and see up. Our retired airline pilot, been in the aerobatic business about 7 years. The flight attendant comes on and says, ensure that your tray tables and seat backs are in their full upright positions and you are wearing your seat belt. Although I don't believe you can do this in a CRJ, but it would be kind of interesting to try that on final approach. Have the hay was probably found on it.
That Eli Gold. Eli Gold.